Hello everyone, it's Christina back again. Today I want to show you my new obsession for office look. Don't you ever have the need to show your inner beauty, to express yourself but not put a mask on your face or mask in your everyday life? Today's makeup tutorial is going to be all about this. So we want to show our inner beauty and at the same time be classy and chic in our workplace. So what I need in this video is only few products. First of all, make sure that you moisturize your face very well, because this is the base for everything. And I'm going to use again the GIORGIO ARMANI foundation. So I just do this area, like I'm gonna do like a triangle. I put under the eyes. That's it. And sometimes a little bit on the chin. So that's all I need. So I'm just gonna go further and use this brown pencil from MAC, which is in color Duck. Up next, I am going to take the Still You waterproof Eros color from Chanel 928, and I'm gonna use this color only on the internal part of the line. So you keep following the line. I'm gonna take with this little less fluffy brush and just pop it into the corner. And then I'm gonna take the fluffier brush and take from this color and start to a little bit extend it over, below and over the pencil. I just realized that the lighting wasn't perfect for this purpose. Now you can see actually the shade and how it's been smudged and smoked out, because before it was just a little bit of too much of lighting coming down this way and then kind of making my eyes wash out and bleach out. So this is it from the eyes. Up next, I'm going to take my brow pencil, which is the Stilo Sorso by Dior color dark brown, and very gently, I don't want to reshape but just fill the gaps and maybe try to push my eyebrow a little bit up. So this means that I have to draw a very thin fine line on top. And there it is. As you can see, it's just a matter of filling in the gaps and just a matter of giving that definition of your eyebrows. If you feel that there's too much of gap in between your eyebrows, you can keep building. For me, it's fine. I just want to keep them more natural, more vivid. So the next stage will be highlighting. Highlighting is extremely important. So for me, if I'm going out and I don't have the time to do my eyes, I would just do highlighting and lipstick. You don't need anything else, but you need to make sure that you highlight your face, you give it a little bit of color, you give a definition of your face. So in my case, this is the perfect palette that I found for highlighting, and that is the Filmstar Bronze and Glow by Charlotte Tilbury. So contouring. Yes, so highlighting and contouring, they are things that are inseparable. So contouring is actually the more important part in this section. We want to have something that is actually the emphasis on your face. So that will be the lips and your cheeks. In this case, I'm going to use the Super 90s by Charlotte Tilbury and a lip liner 03 Natural from 17. So when I have the shape almost decided, I'm going to fill in, especially in the corners. I am doing the final touch of this very quick and easy office look tutorial. So in my case, I'm going to take the Too Faced Perfect Flush Blush Sparkling Bellini. So what you can do here is like take the same blush and just very gently tap on your nose. This will give you more of a sun-kissed look. Okay, and as I said, that is going to be our accent today, is the blush and the lipstick. So get a little bit darker brown lipstick, or you could also use a little bit darker red lipstick, but more of the neutral tones rather than the brighter colors. As you can tell, everything else is like highlighting the face and kind of highlighting your eyes. Very simple, very chic, classy, and sophisticated. Quick and easy to do, my new office obsession. So my hair, this time I did not use even any curler or any styler.